Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview a LFSTY 10-foot by 30-inch round frame above-ground pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. This pool is the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Pool is made with heavy-duty PVCs with 3-ply tritech walls and wall support band for increased rigidity and strength. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Supported by strong, durable steel frames, which are powder-coated for rust resistance and beauty. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits: easy to assemble, ready for water in 30 minutes. Supported by strong, durable steel frames. The package includes pool, metal frame repair kit, and instruction manual. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.